So today we're going to learn about swapCase. SwapCase is basically swapping the case of the strings right here. So they have upper letter, and so we're going to swap with the smaller letter, smaller case. So this given code is basically it just pass a string of input into this functions s, right, and then we're going to have to return the swap case from these functions. So the easiest way to do is just basically return the built-in function, which is basically swap case, and that will be our answer for this. But we still, if we want to understand the swap case functions, how exactly it work, we're going to use some kind of list comprehensions. We can use that, right? So let's go here and return, and then we're going to use join. So join will use empty uh, way of basically joining the letters in from the list into a string, right? So the join function will join all the letter from the list. So inside the list, we will use list comprehensions. So in this list comprehensions, we will go through the I in S, right? So the string is from the S, and then I dot upper if I dot is upper, else I dot lower. So that way we can traverse inside the letter, inside the string, and it will return the letter and just basically convert into lower and upper. Upper if it's sorry, this is supposed to be lower if it's upper right here. So this is supposed to be upper if this is not upper, right? So if it's upper, it will return lower, else it will just return upper. Okay, so now let's try and test this code, and it works. So let's submit this code, and there you go. We have the right answer for this challenge.